Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll be taking a look at the Virtual Competitive Shooter IPSC Challenge Add-on for the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range Simulator System. Last year I did a 4-part video review of options for dry fire training at home. One of the alternatives discussed was the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range Simulator System. Here we'll do a brief review of one of the add-on systems available to enhance the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range Simulator System, the Competitive IPSC Challenge. IPSC stands for International Practical Shooting Confederation. The IPSC rules form the basis for rules which set the standard for the sport of shooting match competition. The IPSC Challenge Add-on System simulates an IPSC shooting match with 10 different stages and as such can provide a helpful training experience. While I don't personally need to train for an IPSC match, I do find the IPS course more challenging and entertaining than the standard exercises that came with the Smokeless Range system. The base system of the Smokeless Range 2.0 system includes 10 exercises: bomb blast, can toss, dueling tree, target shooting, trap shooting, match target drill, moving target drill, speed drill, tracking drill, and transitional drill. After a while, you can understand that a shooter may want something a little more challenging and perhaps offering a little more competitive challenges as well. At additional cost, the Smokeless Range system can be expanded to the addition of add-on packages. Options include Open Range, IPSC Challenge, Game Range, and realistic video scenarios and more. For me, and what I could afford, I thought the competitive IPSC Challenge at about $300 might fill that need nicely. Now if you enjoy this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Of course, you'll need the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 basic package, which includes downloadable software and a standard throw high-speed camera required for operation of the system for about $600. If you don't have the Smokeless Range Simulator System, you should probably check out my review, Virtual Dry Fire Laser Training Range Tabletop Review, Episode 2022-18 for more information. Now if you already have the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 system, adding the competitive IPSC Challenge will cost you about another $300 from Laser Ammo. The add-on loads easily and is available through your existing Laser Ammo Smokeless Range system. I probably should point out that in my opinion, a good recoil-enabled laser-activated pistol would be a minimum additional investment if you intend to make the most of the IPSC Challenge. Personally, I felt the recoil-enabled Glock 17 from Laser Ammo was worth it. Now, according to the people at Laser Ammo, the Competitive Shooter IPSC Challenge software is their top sought-after program for shooters training for competition. The package includes 10 stages with multiple targets: stationary and moving, targets that react when hit, no-shoot targets, along with partially covered targets and obstacles. Note that if you're interested in software with graphics and sounds that can prepare you for an IPSC challenge, each stage in every course of this IPSC challenge software presents actual targets and setups you'd see when competing at a real IPSC competition. It's actually a pretty good simulation in my opinion. Even if training for an IPSC match isn't your thing, you can still take your firearm training to a whole new level with the IPSC training system, challenging yourself or your friends on speed, accuracy, and transitioning. To me, I think it's the IPSC challenge that brings all the individual skills learned with the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 basic package together in a competitive challenge. Now here we're just taking a quick look at the different challenges presented in the IPSC Challenge Add-on package. There are 10 courses, each with a focus on a set of skills testing. We're not going to go through all of these, but I wanted to give you a chance to check out the different types of targets and presentations.
Stand by.
As you can see, the similarity to an IPSC match is pretty good. The basic Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 system provides a pretty good set of training drills. Eventually, however, it's reasonable to want something more interesting and challenging. For me, because it's tied to real competitive match skills, the IPSC Challenge software offers an opportunity to combine.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Of course, I'm just using my mouse here to simulate shots, but hopefully it's giving you a sense of what the IPSC Challenge add-on is like. I'll say that I really like these different courses here. I wouldn't say any courses are better than others, but some, like course number 3, 4, and 10, seem pretty short, and others, like the first course and the 9th, seem longer. And some, like course number 7, seem to frustrate me, but they all offer good exercises. Pretty much I find I use all 10 courses for training.
Are you ready? Stand by.
As for my skills, well, there's no doubt these exercises are really helping my skills. They point out areas of weakness, and for me at least, they never seem to get old. I like that the system records my scores. The basic Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 system provides a pretty good set of training drills. Eventually, however, it's reasonable to want something more entertaining and challenging. For me, because it's tied to real competitive match skills, the IPSC Challenge software offers an opportunity to combine all the drill skills of the Smokeless Range system in application to a well-simulated challenge. So the idea behind this review video was to provide a bit of background on the Laser Ammo Smokeless Range 2.0 system and to focus on the benefits of the IPSC Challenge Add-on software package. Hopefully you found this review helpful. For me, just competing against my own past best timing and skills is motivation enough to keep me entertained, engaged, and to continually work on getting better. And in the end, that's what it's all about, isn't it? Any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.